Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, I will be solving a very important problem on Taylor series method, a very important concept in numerical methods. And this particular problem has been discussed in the VTU model question paper, that is 1BMAT E201 for the electronics and electrical engineering branch. Okay, and I will make this concept very simple for you, and this obviously Taylor series very easy, so don't miss it. Fine. So please stay with me till the end and better practice along with me so that you don't lose marks in examination. Fine. Now see, before moving on to solution, let's see the formula for Taylor series method. See, basically, later also we'll be discussing the, see, now we are doing Taylor series method. We'll discuss the Range-Kutta method, what's that, modified Euler's method, the Miller's predictive corrected formula. In all these things, the initial value is already given. Okay, that is y of x naught is equal to y naught. So first see, in Taylor series method, they will always give dy by dx, and that is taken as what? Y dash. And the initial value y of x naught is equal to y naught will always be given. They have to give it. Now, the Taylor series method formula is, so very simple, it's y of x equals y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught, and we have plus, we can write here x minus x naught the whole cube over 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught plus so on. It continues up to whatever degree they say, 3rd degree, 4th degree, whatever. Okay, so this is the formula or the Taylor series we will be using for this problem. That is what? Y of x naught, remember it, memorize it, plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole square upon 2 factorial into y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught the whole cube upon 3 factorial into y triple dash of x naught, so on it continues. Okay, now here if you see this particular problem, they given dy over dx, that is equal to y dash, that's what, 3x plus y square. Fine. And it may, this value may differ. They may get divided x as 3 plus y square, x square plus y square, log xy, x square, whatever it is. Okay, with y of 0 is equal to 1. See, y of 0 equals 1 means y of x naught is equal to y naught. As I told you, they already always give this in a question. So we have x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. See this condition, they will always mention in the given problem. Okay, this and this. Now, what we do, as you know that x naught is equal to 0, we will put it here and write the series. Therefore, we can write that implies y of x equals y of 0 plus, see, x minus x naught. Since x naught is 0, it will obviously be x into y dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus x cube over 3 factorial y triple dash of 0 plus, see, in the question they mentioned find y, whatever y of 0.1 up to 4 degree means you have differentiate how many times? 4 times. If they give 3rd degree, differentiate 3 times. If they give 4th degree, differentiate 4 times. A 6 marks question. Plus x raised to 4 over 4 factorial y4 of 0. That is differentiate up to 4 times. Here y1, y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y4 dash are all the differentiations. Now we need to find all these values, which are y of 0, y dash 0, y triple dash, y double dash, y triple dash and y4, and put here. That's the series. Done. That's it. As simple as that. Now how to do it? See, first value will always give you this value, always, because y of 0, see, y of 0 equals 1, right? We have the first value here. It will be always be given in the Taylor series problem. The first initial value is taken as this value, y of 0 is 1. Next, what is y dash? Y dash is what? We have y dash as 3x plus y square, whatever the given. So y dash is 3x plus y square. That means we can simply write y dash of 0. We need to find what? Y dash of 0 is equal to, see initial what is x naught? 0, y naught is 1. So 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 0 plus y of 0, both are same. So y of 0 is 1, so y is also 1 only. So plus 1 square. So much? 1. So we get y dash of 0 is 1. Next, we will find y double dash. So what is y double dash? Y double dash means differentiation of what we found, that is 3x plus y square. So see, obviously very simple differentiation. Differentiation of 3x is 3 plus, see derivative of y square with respect to x is what? Differentiation of y square is 2y into y dash, chain rule. So we have 2y into y dash. Fine. So we can write y double dash of 0 is equal to 3 plus 2 into, what is y? See y of 0 is 1, as I told you earlier, into 1 into, again what is y dash? It's obviously y dash is nothing but, y dash of 0 is nothing but y dash, that is 1. So 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So it is equal to what? 5. So we have the second value now. Now we need to find which value? Y triple dash. That means we need to differentiate this term again. So y triple dash equals, what's that? Derivative of 3 is constant, 0 plus, again 2y into y dash will be what? Product rule. So see, 2y as it is, what is product rule? Differentiation of first and second function is keep first function as it is, differentiate the second function, plus keep the second function as it is and differentiate the first function. Simple. Okay. So differentiation of 3 is 0 plus 2y. I'll take this one, this clearly. This is first term, second term. Okay. So product rule, because y and y dash is different. 2y as it is. Derivative of y dash is what? Simple. Y double dash plus y dash as it is. Derivative of 2y is again 2y dash. So 2y dash. So y triple dash will be now 2y into y dash plus 2y dash square. Done. Now we can easily find the value of y triple dash of 0, and that will be equal to now 2 into what's y? As I told you, y and y of 0 is both same, it is 1 into what's y double dash? It's 5 plus 2 into what's y dash? It's 1. Y dash and y dash is 0 both are same, it's 1. So into 1 square, and that will be how much? 10 plus 2 is 12. That's it. Okay. Please verify yourself the answers here. That's why keep practicing, because many students they make mistake here. Okay. Now the next is y4. 4 differentiation. So y4 will be equal to, we need to differentiate this term. Again this will be obviously product rule here. Why? Because see, there is 2y y into y double dash. Both are different. So when I apply the product rule here, see what is that? Derivative of first to second function is keep first function as it is, 2y as it is. Differentiation of y double dash is what? Y triple dash plus y double dash as it is. Again differentiation of 2y is what? 2 into y, 2 as it is, derivative y is y dash plus, see here, watch here carefully, many students make mistake here, 2 into y dash square. See 2 as it is. What? 2 as it is. What is derivative of y dash square? Differentiation of x is to n is x, derivative of x is to n is n x is to n minus 1. So first square, derivative of y dash square is what? 2y dash into again derivative of y dash is y double dash, chain rule, that is plus 2, 2 2s are 4 into y dash, first derivative, again differentiation of y dash is what? Y double dash. Therefore y4 of 0, the last value is 2 into, again see y of 0, y dash, y of 0 and y is both same, it's 1 only, into what's y triple dash? Yeah, here we found to be 12 plus what is that? Y double dash 5 into 2 into what's y dash? Y dash of 0, y dash is same, it's 1 plus 4 into, it's 1, and what's y double dash? We found it to be Where is it? 5, yeah, perfect, into 5. So let's evaluate this now. So 24 plus 10, 34, 34 plus 20 is 54. That's the answer. That's it. Okay, now let's put, I hope you understood here clearly. Since they given the question up to 4 degree, we differentiate it 4 times. Now let's put all these values here. Therefore, you can write implies the expansion y of x equals y of 0, it's 1, plus we have what is x into y dash is again 1, x into 1, write clearly, plus x square by 2 factorial into what's that, y double dash is 5 plus x cube over 3 factorial into y triple dash, yeah, here 12 plus it will be x raised to 4 over 4 factorial into what's that, y4 of 0 is 54. That's it. Okay, fine. Now the next step will be what, y of x equals 1 plus x plus, this will be 5x square over 2. Why? Because 2 factorial is 2. Similarly, this will be 12x cube over, what's 3 factorial? 3 into 2 into 1, that's 6. And lastly, 54x raised to 5 over 4 factorial is what? 24. Now, let's simplify this using the calculator and write the final expression here. Fine. So, here see y of x, okay, fine. So, we can write implies y of x equals 1 plus x plus, this will be as it is, 5x square over 2 plus 12x cube by 6, 6 ones are 6 twos are. So 2x cube plus, now 54 by 24, right? So you can 54 divided by 24 equals 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 x raised to 5. This is the Taylor series expansion up to 4 degree for dy by dx is 3x plus y square. That's the solution here. Beautiful. Okay. Now you found the Taylor series expansion for the given problem. Lastly, they are asking to find, and hence find y of 0.1 up to 4 degree. Simple. So we have already y of x. So to find y of 0.1, in place of x put what? 0.1 and get the solution. So let's do it here with the calculator. So also that implies y of 0.1 equals 1 plus 0.1 plus 5 by 2 into 0.1 the whole square plus 2 into 0.1 the whole cube plus 9 by 4 into 0.1. This is what? Oh, sorry, this is my bad. X is to 4, right? Yeah, x is to 4. Sorry. So this is what? X is to 4. It is raised to 4. That's all. Fine. So this is what we have here. So let's evaluate this in the calculator. So 1 plus 0.1 plus fraction 5 into 0.1 the whole square over 2 plus 2 into bracket 0.1 the whole cube again plus make a fraction 9 into 0.1 whole raised to 4 over 4. Just check it. Yeah, correct. Is equal to. So I am getting the answer as 1.27225. So y of 0.1 equals 1.27225. That's the solution and complete 6 to 7 marks for this. That's all. Okay. That's how it is done. Fine. So first already they will give the condition y of x not is equal to y naught in the question, in all questions. Then in Taylor series always remember first thing is what? dy by dx is taken as y dash and the initial value is y0 is given. So write the series, differentiate it. Only the correctness, you know, in differentiation comes only on practice. So practice well, you will get this. So please practice this question, very important. Okay. Apart from this, I will be solving more questions on Taylor series. You have the the modified Euler's method, the Runge-Kutta method, and the Milne's predictor formula. So please be updated. Keep watching my videos because the exams are nearing now, and I will be soon uploading the more important exam questions and also a solution to the model question papers of all the schemes, that is 1 BMAT S201, 1 BMAT E201, 1 BMAT M201, 1 BMAT C201, so on. So please stay updated, and also please do share these videos and a word with your friends about this channel so that each and every student gets benefited from this resource. So that's all for today's video. Study hard, practice well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.